The kitchen is often the heart of the home, and during the Christmas season, it becomes a hub of family gatherings, holiday baking, and festive meals. So why not extend the holiday spirit to your kitchen with charming and creative Christmas decorations? Whether your style is cozy, elegant, rustic, or whimsical, there are countless ways to turn your kitchen into a warm, inviting space that feels just as festive as the rest of your home. In this guide, we'll explore a variety of Christmas kitchen decoration ideas that will infuse your space with seasonal cheer. From simple touches to full-on transformations, let's dive into some easy yet stunning ways to bring the magic of Christmas to your kitchen this year. The countertops in your kitchen provide the perfect canvas for adding Christmas spirit without overwhelming the space. Begin with a simple yet impactful piece, like a holiday-themed tray to corral your essentials. You can display Christmas-themed candles, a vase of faux pine branches, or a decorative bowl filled with seasonal fruits like pomegranates, apples, or even mini ornaments for a pop of color. Adding a small Christmas tree or a snow globe on the counter can also evoke that magical winter feeling, especially when paired with a few rustic wooden elements or a string of battery-operated fairy lights to bring warmth to the display. A holiday-themed tiered tray is another popular way to decorate your countertops. It can hold small figurines, mini wreaths, holiday mugs, or even gingerbread houses to keep the festive vibe alive while still being functional. Another great idea is to incorporate seasonal dish towels and pot holders with fun Christmas prints, like reindeer, Santa's sleigh, or plaid patterns. These small additions bring a cheerful touch to your kitchen without requiring too much effort. For a more personalized touch, consider adding a decorative sign that says "Merry Christmas" or "Ho Ho Ho" placed in an area of your kitchen that you use the most, such as near the sink or stove. You can even incorporate festive greenery into your countertop by placing small sprigs of holly or eucalyptus in vases, making the space feel fresh and vibrant. And if you have open shelving, consider styling the shelves with a mix of classic holiday dishes, mugs, and Santa figurines, all arranged in a way that enhances the overall theme. If these Christmas kitchen decoration ideas added a festive touch to your holiday plans, give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who love decorating their kitchens for the holidays. When you think of Christmas decorations, one of the first things that come to mind is undoubtedly the Christmas tree. While the living room is typically the traditional spot for the tree, there's no reason why you can't place a smaller version in the kitchen. Consider a mini tabletop tree placed on an island or windowsill. Decorate it with small ornaments, a strand of lights, and a whimsical tree topper for a charming touch. Garlands are another wonderful way to decorate the kitchen, especially when draped across cabinet doors, shelves, or even the kitchen island. You can create a beautiful, rustic garland using faux greenery, pine cones, and berry accents. For a more elegant look, try a garland made from velvet ribbons, metallic ornaments, or faux snow for a winter wonderland effect. You can even wrap garlands around your kitchen's ceiling beams or along the edge of your cabinets for added visual appeal. If you have a breakfast nook or dining area in your kitchen, draping a festive garland across the table or around a light fixture can create a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Combining fresh greenery with twinkle lights is a beautiful way to add instant charm and a soft, warm glow to the room, creating the perfect ambience for family meals and holiday entertaining. Which kitchen decor idea will you be trying out this year? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're transforming your kitchen into a holiday haven. If your kitchen includes a dining area, setting the table with Christmas-inspired decor is a fantastic way to enhance the festive atmosphere. A simple, elegant way to bring Christmas cheer to your table is by layering a holiday-themed tablecloth or runner, paired with matching placemats and napkins. Consider choosing patterns that reflect the season, such as plaid, holly, or snowflakes. To add a personal touch, create place settings that include mini ornaments, a sprig of rosemary, or a personalized name card for each guest. For a more rustic approach, think about using natural materials like burlap table runners, wooden chargers, and vintage-inspired crockery. You can also incorporate small Christmas trees as centerpieces, or place a large bowl of ornaments in the center of the table for a touch of whimsy. Don't forget to set your table with festive glassware and silverware to complete the look. The key is to mix and match items you already have while adding new seasonal pieces that highlight the Christmas theme. If you're hosting a holiday dinner, use your kitchen as the focal point for a larger display of seasonal treats. A dessert station or snack bar filled with cookies, candies, and hot chocolate station decorations can make your kitchen feel like an extension of your holiday celebrations. For more holiday decorating inspiration, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll always be in the loop with our latest festive videos. One of the most fun parts of decorating your kitchen for Christmas is the opportunity to get creative with DIY projects. Personalized touches like homemade ornaments, painted wooden signs, and festive jars filled with holiday treats can make your kitchen feel one of a kind. Consider creating your own wreaths for your kitchen cabinets or adding personalized garlands featuring family names or favorite Christmas symbols. You can even hang small stockings on your kitchen chairs for a playful, personalized touch. For a truly unique idea, craft your own DIY Christmas ornaments out of materials like cinnamon sticks, dried oranges, or even small kitchen items like wooden spoons and whisks. These can be hung from your cabinet knobs or placed in clear glass jars as part of your countertop decor. Another fun project is to make a DIY hot cocoa station with mason jars filled with marshmallows, hot cocoa powder, and peppermint sticks, all beautifully labeled and ready for your family to enjoy. If you're feeling extra crafty, you can create a Christmas countdown calendar in the form of small boxes or jars filled with holiday treats or notes, placed in a designated corner of the kitchen for the whole family to enjoy. DIY Christmas-themed cutting boards, decorated with festive quotes or patterns, can also add a personal touch to your kitchen while being functional. Check out our Christmas decor playlist for more ideas to decorate every part of your home, from the kitchen to the living room, and even your outdoor spaces. As you transform your kitchen into a festive wonderland, remember that the key is creating an atmosphere of warmth and joy. Your kitchen is the heart of your home, and by adding touches of Christmas decor, you not only enhance the beauty of the space, but also create memories that will last long after the season ends. Whether it's through a simple garland on the cabinet doors, a holiday-themed table setting, or a personalized DIY project, each detail helps to set the stage for a cozy, festive environment that's perfect for cooking, entertaining, and celebrating with loved ones. The holiday season is the perfect time to experiment with new ideas and embrace creative freedom in your home decor. Your kitchen is a space where family and friends gather, so it's essential to make it as inviting and festive as possible. No matter your style, from rustic to modern, there are countless ways to incorporate Christmas spirit into your kitchen, making it feel both welcoming and filled with holiday cheer. As you hang ornaments, arrange garlands, and set your Christmas table, take a moment to enjoy the process. Decorating for Christmas is not just about filling your space with beautiful decor, it's about creating a special atmosphere where memories are made, laughter is shared, and the true meaning of the season is celebrated. And the best part? Every year, you can refresh your holiday decorations, trying out new trends, and building new traditions along the way. From simple touches to full kitchen makeovers, the possibilities for Christmas kitchen decoration are endless. So this season, let your creativity shine and fill your kitchen with all the warmth, cheer, and festive beauty that the holidays bring. Whether it's crafting DIY ornaments with the kids or setting a sophisticated holiday table for a dinner party, the kitchen is a place where magic happens. It's where the scents of Christmas cookies, spiced drinks, and delicious holiday meals come together to create a sensory experience like no other. Remember, the holiday season is about more than just decorations, it's about creating an environment that feels joyful, cozy, and welcoming. When you put your own personal touch on the kitchen, it becomes a space that truly reflects the warmth and spirit of Christmas. So embrace the season, indulge in the little details, and let your kitchen become a gathering place filled with festive charm. Now that you have all these ideas in your arsenal, let your creativity run wild. There's no limit to the Christmas magic you can bring to your kitchen this year. Want to bring these Christmas kitchen decorations to life in your home? Head to the description for links to all the products and decor items featured in today's video. With each decoration, you're not just adding festive elements to your kitchen, you're crafting a space that reflects your unique style and personality. Whether you love the timeless charm of traditional red and green or prefer a more modern twist with metallics and neutrals, there's no wrong way to bring the holiday spirit into your home. Every wreath hung, every candle lit, and every ornament placed tells a story of togetherness and celebration. In the hustle and bustle of the holiday season, it's easy to overlook the little moments, but your decorated kitchen can serve as a gentle reminder of the joy and warmth that the season brings. It's about slowing down, soaking in the festive surroundings, and creating an atmosphere that encourages relaxation and connection with your loved ones. And as the season unfolds, don't forget to take the time to enjoy your beautiful kitchen space. Whether you're hosting a festive meal, baking cookies with the family, or simply enjoying a cup of hot cocoa, the kitchen is where memories are made.